Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, just another quick look at the Bitcoin chart, and it seems like we are going to test this orange support region. I think I talked in the last video here already about this potentially unfolding wave 2 or yellow B wave pullback. Yellow count is extremely messy. But at this stage, it seems likely that we are going to form at least, that we're going to test at least this support region. Yesterday already we saw that we have some kind of a top in place. Really, it has only moved down in not very significant ways, which is definitely good for the altcoins. And I think we can keep it quite simple at this stage. Bitcoin is clearly ranging. We have an upper boundary line of the range at around 99K. Above that level, 100K comes into focus. And to the downside, we've got this red line at 88,750. But actually, from a Fibonacci point of view, locally, the 92,418 level is important. So as I said in the last videos, as long as we're holding above this micro support, I'm going to watch for higher prices, and that could be an extension of yellow wave B. Quick explanation about the yellow scenario, and by the way, I'm going to move everything a little bit here to the right because prices are just moving sideways without really making progress. And in the yellow scenario, we said, okay, we have a top, a larger top, actually in this third wave. And then this was an A wave down, a B wave up. Okay, it might form another high. It's not so important now, just to explain the structure here. And then a C wave down, and then we have an ABC structure to the downside. That could be a wave 4, and then from there we can rally further. So it might just be an opportunity if that happens. It wouldn't really be bearish. It would be short-term bearish, yes, but would require a break below 92,418 USD to confirm that further. Okay, so I think we can remove that again. And then if we talk about the more bullish perspective, in the very short term, it could even be that this B wave extends a little bit. Yeah, that's possible. That would be within the yellow scenario. And then we break down, so it would just be an extension of the B wave. But actually, because the move up has a little bit of a look of a 5-wave move up, even though doesn't look very clear to me, but could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, an ugly 5-wave move up. This pullback, I have to say, it does look corrective. So this could be an A wave, this could be a B wave, this could be a C wave in a wave 2, a 1-2 setup, a smaller time frame 1-2 setup, which if it works out could send the third wave way higher than 4-5 and possibly towards 110K before the next larger top forms. So please consider that. The pullback really looks corrective. And that's why I said, as long as we're holding above 92,418, the path to higher prices remains open. Already mentioned that to you when we only saw a 3-wave move down instead of 5 down. With a 3-wave pullback, the door for higher price remains open. And even if it's just a high B wave, because when there is a 3-wave move down, the B wave can easily overshoot, can be high, can overshoot. So it's a bit messy, this microstructure. That's why just too many options, because we're moving up in corrective patterns, we're moving down in corrective patterns, which is why it usually makes sense just to focus on the levels that are really relevant in the short term there. So yeah, that's I think everything. I also took a look at the Bitcoin dominance chart in the previous video. If you're interested, we can do that tomorrow again. But really, there is not at the moment much more to say, and therefore we keep it short. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. A quick reminder, on X, formerly Twitter, we still have our Black Friday special. I mean, that's going to run out, I think it's the last day today. So it expires on the 2nd. And it's a 20% additional discount on our annual membership in the form of a gift card. So you can buy one annual membership for 20% discount. It's already 20% discounted compared to the monthly. This gives you a one-time additional 20% discount, but it's only one more day. So if you, in case you want to, you know, gift a gift card to a loved one, or you want to get a membership for yourself, or even existing members, you can extend your current membership. If you sign up on the website or signed up, you can just extend it. Let us know by email if you need help with that. But yeah, that is available. And anything else? No. Have a great Sunday. Thank you very much. Bye bye.